Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating AM radio out of a 68 Pontiac GTO. It's now an AM/FM radio with Bluetooth and USB. This comes from Tom in Henderson, Nevada, and so we're here to make sure everything works before we send her back. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong AM station I get in my area.
Starts to call them when they actually said baby's face in womb.
And we pick up a couple weaker ones down this way, so we'll just visit that real quick. Oh wow, I haven't heard that song in a long time. Okay, well, those stations are pretty marginal. They frequently don't come in, so we'll just go back to the strong station.
Liberal Illinois who wants to
okay, it tunes in nice and clear. And now while we've got our AM, we're going to demonstrate the virtual balance and fader functions. So we're going to go first. I'm going to center my tone control. Okay, let's do this.
If you don't know what one of those murders looks like, that's what it is.
Okay, virtual front rear fader.
And why are we
fader adjust?
Okay.
Answer
so
for that instead of them coming back and
front,
saying you're throwing us healthcare, you're putting us
rear,
back in time. No, we're simply saying let it go to the states where it belongs. That's what the court should have done.
Rear.
But we're making a case for why.
Center them.
And make them have to answer for
Fader
set. Okay.
Gender identity,
Left, right, balance.
Gender birth.
Balance adjust.
We're the party
so
of
life, not
only
left,
from birth, but also
right,
throughout where you have
left,
life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness.
Right.
Folks, we're just getting started.
Balance
set. Okay, let's flip to FM, which we do by turning the unit off and then right back on within about half a second. So, off, on. Okay, now we're on FM. We don't need these meters anymore. And I have all 5 presets set to FM stations in my area so we can get through it quick.
EL.com.
Okay, that one drifted a bit.
Don't worry, we're experts at arranging fine.
We can go and we want qualified candidates.
Okay, so there's our FM in action. Okay, let's put the Bluetooth in the pairing mode to make sure that works.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so she's saying Bluetooth ready to pair. After 45 seconds or after 90 seconds.
EQ set.
Okay, let's try our
EQ set.
okay, I hit something. We're just going to have to recycle the radio here. Alrighty, let's try our USB reader. Radio commercial. Okay, remove the stick and the radio comes back, so that means everything's working. She's ready to go back to the customer. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and in order to reach me, you need to visit my website. First thing, do not call me until you have been to my website, because there's a lot of stuff on that website that I'm not going to remember during a quick phone call. That's become the necessary first step in communicating with me, is to visit my website. Do not call until you've been to my website. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Tom, for your business from Henderson, Nevada, and we'll see you guys next time.